This whole animated cartoon story, the characters, the village, the Hindi voices, the emotions, I made all of it using free AI. No drawing, no voice actors, no editing skills. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to make one yourself step by step. Let's get into it. If you want to make videos like this, hit subscribe. I post a new free AI tool every week. Okay, let's build. Keep three things open: Google Docs with our three prompts, Google Flow, and Gemini. And for Gemini, open it in three separate tabs, one tab for each prompt, so nothing gets mixed up. First, go to Google Docs and copy prompt 1. Paste it into your first Gemini tab and hit Generate. In about 10 to 15 seconds, Gemini writes your full Hindi dialogue, every line for every character. And at the bottom, it gives you a clean list of all the characters in your story. Now, back to Google Docs and copy prompt 2, but only up to the line that says, "Here is the character list." Paste it into your second Gemini tab. And don't generate yet. First, go to your first tab, copy that character list and paste it at the bottom of prompt 2. Now hit Generate. In another 10 to 15 seconds, you get each character's description, their fixed voice settings, and a ready-to-use image prompt for every character. Head over to Google Flow and click on Create New Project. Rename it Vegetable Love Story or anything you like. Go back to your second Gemini tab and copy the character prompt for your first character, in our case, Aloo, the potato. Back in Flow, open the character section, paste the prompt and hit Generate. In under 40 seconds, your character's image is ready. Now copy that character's description from Gemini, paste it into Flow's character info box and rename it Aloo. Next, the voice. Copy the voice characteristics from Gemini. In Flow, click on Select a voice and pick one that matches your character's gender. Here, I am choosing Urched. Paste the voice characteristics into the Customize Performance box and rename the voice after your character. Type a sample line to preview it, then click Save New Voice. Give it a couple of seconds, preview it, and once you're happy, click on Add to Character. Hit Done. Your first character is ready. Now set up the rest of your characters exactly the same way. Once all your characters are built, go back to Google Docs and copy prompt 3 up to the line "Here is the dialogue script." Paste it into your third Gemini tab, but don't generate yet. Go to your first tab, copy your first 3 lines of dialogue and paste them at the bottom of prompt 3. Now generate. In 10 to 20 seconds, Gemini gives you image prompts and video prompts for each line. Start with the locked background prompt. This keeps your setting consistent across the whole scene. Back in Flow, set your generation to image 16:9, 1:1 and Nano Banana 2. Paste the prompt, generate, and under 30 to 40 seconds, your background is ready. Name it exactly as Gemini labeled it. Mine says Village Market Day. Now copy the first line's image prompt and paste it into Flow. To swap in your saved assets, click on the background placeholder, delete it, type the @ symbol and select the background you just made. Do the same for the character placeholder. Hit Generate. In about 30 seconds, you've got your shot. Name it Shot 1. That name matters in a second. Generate the images for your next 3 lines the same way. Now for the animation. Copy the first line's video prompt, paste it into Flow and replace the placeholders again. Click the plus button, select the Shot 1 image you just made and click on Add to Prompt. Set your generation to video, ingredients 16:9, 1:1 and Veo 3.1 light and then generate. In under a minute, your first animated clip is done. Let's preview it.
टमाटर, तुम्हारी ये लाल रंगत देखकर मेरा कार्बोहाइड्रेट बढ़ जाता है।
The animation looks great and the Hindi voice sounds natural. Now just generate the rest of your scenes the same way. Quick heads up, on a free account, Flow gives you 50 credits a day. That's about 5 clips with Veo 3.1 Lite. So you build a full story like this over a few days, a few scenes at a time. To stretch those free clips, only your big emotional shots need full animation. The rest can be a still image with a slow zoom, which looks just as good and costs nothing. And if a clip comes out faulty, just regenerate it. That's totally normal. To download a clip, hover over the video, click the 3 dots, hover over download and pick the quality you want. And that's how you create a full viral vegetable love story, completely free with no drawing and no editing skills. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for a new free AI tool every week. I'll see you in the next one.